Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 38 I have used in the Tulip Splash Smiles and Giggles blanket. For this particular pattern I have used Hobby Store Special DK yarn Fondant with color code 1241. This stitch requires multiples of 6 plus 3 stitches. So to begin with, in the blanket pattern you are having multiples of 6 plus 2, so you can adjust one in the beginning or end. To begin with, I am beginning with a standing twisted double crochet, and then I am going to place 2 front post double crochets, one in each of the next 2. I am working with a thicker yarn for better clarity in the video. Otherwise, I have used Hobby Store DK yarn with 4 mm hook only. Then skip one stitch and place a DC V stitch, DC, chain 1, DC, all in the same stitch, skip one and one front post double crochet each in next 3 stitches. Again skip one V stitch. This is the pattern repeat for your first row. 3 front post double crochet, skip one, DC V stitch, skip one, 3 front post double crochets. Continue the same pattern repeat till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. I have come to the end of this row here. I am ideally left with 5 DCs, so I will skip one and make 1 front post double crochet in each of next 3 DCs. And place your DC in the very last stitch here. Turn your work, row 2. As usual, you're standing, Now we're going to work back posts on each of the front posts done in the last row. Back post DC, and make one DC V stitch or V stitch in the chain 1 space. Again back post double crochet on next 3 FpDCs that you did in the last row, one in each of them. Again a V stitch here, V stitch here, back post double crochets, V stitch. Continue the pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end over here. I have completed the row here. So for the blanket I am going to stop only with these 2 rows and then make a DC row for completion of this particular pattern. So place one DC each on each of the DCs and 1 DC in chain 1 space. That will fetch you the number of DCs you started with. So you should ensure that there are 302 stitches in the blanket. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. Shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video.